My plan is to travel all around Thailand on my little motorcycle, but I have a small budget of only 1,000 baht a day. A wonderful good morning and Sawadee Krap from Sanklaburi. I'm here on the famous Mon Bridge with an exceptional view. Today is June 1st and it's time for my monthly budget update. That should be a quick one, but let's find some coffee first. I'm living now abroad in Thailand since 2 months, so this is my second monthly budget video. The first month I stayed in Hua Hin and bought my motorbike, my Honda Click Loy Hoksip. Watch the videos about that process if you like. And since I'm traveling, my plan is to travel all around Thailand on my little motorcycle, but I have a small budget of only 1,000 baht a day. And that's including accommodation and everything. So in this video, let's find out how the second month was. I kind of nailed my budget in the first month, so let's find out how the second month was going. This is Poya Cafe, my favorite cafe here around this area. Let's get coffee here. Sawadee krap Gao. Cafe Americano Ron. Puya coffee, make better, make feeling. This Puya coffee is not on Google Maps, but if you come from the side of the Mon village, as we did, you just walk across the Mon bridge there, and then about this red bridge, just at the end of the red bridge, opposite side, there is Puya Cafe. So I will link you this red bridge and you will find. Now let's head back to my room and have a look at the numbers. Right, back in my little room, let's go straight into the numbers. My total income last month was 800 Thai baht. I got one very generous donation via my PayPal donation link of 800 Thai baht. Thank you, Adam. My total expenses amounted to 28,093 Thai baht, which is almost 3,000 Thai baht below my budget of 31,000. Let's break that down. For accommodation, I paid 12,500 baht, food and non-alcoholic drinks 6,000, for alcoholic drinks 3,200. I had visa cost of 1,900, motorbike and transportation, which was mainly gasoline, 1,790, shopping 971, cultural life, which includes entrance fees for national parks and museums, 570. I had 2 massages, one for 250 and one for 200, so 450 in total. Subscriptions for 250, which is actually my AIS Thai phone number and mobile internet. Then for laundry, I paid 245. And fashion and beauty, 109. I needed a new pair of flip-flops after a dog had eaten my old one. How dare you, dog? I really liked these flip-flops. Right, and here from my sunny little balcony, that was my budget video of this month, May. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned a thing or two. And if you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for the video. And as always down there, click the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel and you will get more stories from amazing Thailand soon. Also write something in the comments. You have any experience about the budget or any questions, ideas, let me know. That having said, see you in the next one. Have a good one and goodbye.